Bonjour mon amis, and welcome back to a new episode of Safrat and Saifa's channel. Today we'll be discussing the Jurassic World Epic Attack Final Clash Pack. But first, we have here is another Epic Attack, the original Epic Attack Velociraptor. We will compare it to it. So, here's the DNA scan. You push this button, a sound, pretty cool stuff there. Okay, there's the sound right there. They did a great job on the eye painting right there. However, it's manual. It's pretty good though. This one came with a Ford Explorer, but I couldn't find it anymore. Somewhere buried downstairs. Alright, so it came with a Ford Explorer and this one. It's a 2-pack. And we have here is a 93 Classic Tyrannosaurus. A young Tyrannosaurus, I believe. The very first yellow one. Has no sound. You push the button at the head, it opens up. There you go. This has a new head sculpt. There's a DNA scan. Let's open it up. There you go. So, there you have it. We will compare this to the new, like I said earlier, the Japanese exclusive Epic Attack Final Clash Pack. Yep, we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna check it out. Alright guys, the sound still doesn't work because of this straps right here. We have to take it out. So we're gonna open it up. You can tell it's a Japanese version. They covered the English version. It's all just stickers. Same as here. Let's check the back. Okay guys. So yep, there you have it. Pretty cool. This is our final Epic Attack. Wait a second, what's this? I didn't even know they have a Velociraptor and Dimetrodon. Oh wow. This is exciting. No, I have no idea. I thought that was a joke. It's actually real. Or I hope they didn't cancel it though. Okay, that's exciting. I didn't know about this. There. Alright, let's open it up. Let's check it out. Final Clash Pack. Alright, first let's go to the Velociraptor. It's supposed to be a Walmart exclusive, but it never came out here in the US. It went overseas. I don't know why Mattel did that. Oh gee, did I damage that? Okay, let's check the two. I think it's the same. Oh my goodness, it is actually the same thing. What? Pretty much the same. Seriously? They could have changed the paint a little bit. Oh my goodness, it is actually the same. There's a serial number right there. Okay. We'll pull it out. Let's see. Yep, definitely the same. But the other one, like I said, it came with a Ford Explorer. And this other one came with a Tyrannosaurus. So it's pretty much, it is exactly the same. The paint is actually the same. The tail, the face sculpt. Okay. Okay, let's put them aside and we will check out the T-Rex. Open it up. Where's my knife? Alright guys, like I said, thank you so much for supporting us. We appreciate that. Okay, it looks like it's locked down there. How do you open this guy? Oh my goodness, really? One sec guys, one sec. Okay guys, I got it out. Here it is. Let's install a tail. Let's fix the feet. Okay, we're gonna put the tail on, we're gonna snap it in. Hopefully it's easy. There are times that these things are hard, especially a piece of them. There you go, it clicks. Alright, let's check the DNA scan. Oops, it's on the other side. There you go, go ahead and scan that. We have so much T-Rex already. We're gonna pull this. Pull that so the sound works. Alright, mouth does not open though when you push it. Another one. It's cool. So there it is, there you go, you push that just like the classic one. Wow. The leg seems a bit loose. For a brand new item, feels like it's loose. Okay. You push that. There's supposed to be light, but of course we're outside. You can't see the light. Why does it sound so weak? Is there volume? Yeah, it's very weak, guys. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. Must be some factor defect. It's really weak. You can hear it. I don't know why it's so weak. Maybe I should change the battery sometime. Okay, guys. So it looks like the classic Tyrannosaurus from the Dominion or the Dino Escape. That's what the color is. They could at least change the color, but yeah, but at least we already have the Epic Attack Tyrannosaurus. Pretty good. We're gonna compare to the 93 Classic. You can see the head is totally different. What they look like, see that? Totally manual heads. Yeah, at least the tongue's not sticking to the mouth, unlike this guy. Look at the tongue, it's down there. This guy's not. Pretty good. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this T-Rex. I'm a little disappointed at it. See, it's very weak. Okay, guys, well, that's it for today. Next video will be a custom hybrid. Okay, should be interesting. Something like you guys never seen before. Okay, guys. Alright, you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. You guys have a great one. Have a great weekend, by the way. Thanks again. Au revoir.